So you can create websites with Canva, and the output, as you can see, is pretty neat. But the question is that should you be using the same tool that we all use to create graphics and flyers and posters? Should you be using the same tool to create a professional business website as well? Or should you be looking elsewhere, for instance, Dazzly, to create stunning professional looking websites? Let's find out. First things first, to create a website with Canva, once you log into your Canva, this is your dashboard, go ahead and click on Create. And then you want to come down to websites, and then you'll see a ton of different options over here. So you can create all sorts of different websites over here. We have a number of templates over here as well for different types of websites. But let's say we want to start with a blank pane. So I'll just go ahead and click on website. And then you can go ahead and type in the type of website you want to create. Okay, you have some results over here as well, and they'll eventually populate once you type in something. So let's go ahead and create a construction website. Okay, so let's do construction, and then you see we have a number of these templates. Now, the good templates, as you can see over here, most of them will be on the paid plan. And by the way, to use the website functionality within Canva, with your domain and everything, you will need a paid plan. But they do have some free templates as well. So for example, let's go ahead and select this one. Okay, this looks good. Now, as we all know, Canva is extremely easy to use, so it works very similar to any other thing that you want to create, presentation or any other thing. So we have these different sections over. You can go ahead and do it manually, but if you click on Apply All Sections, it will automatically apply all the sections to your website. Okay, so now if you scroll through, you see just like that, you have a one-pager ready to go. Now, of course, this is dummy content. You want to replace it with your business information. This is one page, and you can go ahead and create additional pages as well. Okay, say you've done creating your website. Then what you want to do is you can either preview it or you could publish your website. Okay, so we'll publish it. Now we'll have our site address over here. Okay, we want to go ahead and publish it. Okay, so the website is done, and we have a website on the Canva subdomain. So we'll go ahead and click on View Website, and it does take some time to load. It's quite swift, but it does take some time to load. So I'm not very certain about its SEO capabilities, to be honest. But there you go. We have a website on Canva. Okay, and remember, we added a few pages. I mean, these are blank pages, but we do have these pages over here. And it's really simple to create a website. It's just like the way we create any other design. As far as functionality, it's pretty basic. Okay, so if we come back to Canva, and if we go back to editing, okay, come back to our home page. For some reason, there seems to be a glitch. All right, so it's sorted now. We click on Edit Design, go to Publish. Okay, and so here you can toggle the settings. So once you're done, editing the website properly, you want to select this to be on, so it'll be visible to search engines like Google. You can go ahead and change the name of the page. Currently, it's Home. On mobile, you can resize it. You can add your social media links. So pretty basic functionality over here. I'm not sure again, how effective this is going to be for SEO and, really appearing on top of search results. But now if you compare this with something like Dazzly, which is way more comprehensive and in my opinion, I would say even easier to use when it comes to building a website. Okay, the reason I say that is because you have everything laid out in one pane over here, so you know exactly what is what. Okay, so you want to change the main aspects of your website, your services, mission statement, logos. You can do everything from here. Okay, you can also view your website on different devices. Okay, we have the laptop, you have the tablet here, we have the phone over here. So the website looks pretty good in all these devices. All right, come down over here, you have some additional options. So you can go ahead and make changes on the home page. You can add additional services, remove services. All you have to do is click on Add New. Okay, so I click on Add New, And then I can add a title for my service, image, description sections, and I'm good to go. You can also go ahead and add in your contact details. So there's no drag and drop, none of that. Everything is laid out for you, so it's easy for you to understand. So for example, if you wanted to add in your email address, right, you just click on email address and add in the email that you'd want, to be visible on your website. If for example you wanted to add your social media, right, say you have an Instagram page for your business, okay, so you click on this and then you go ahead and add in the Instagram link. Is that easy? Okay, you can also create articles very easily. Again, all you have to do is click on add new and add in the content. We've already done tutorials on that, so you can check out our previous videos as well. Now the advantage with Dazzly is that you can do all this on your own. As it is, it's easy to use, but you also have the extra section where the Dazzly team will help you to build your website. Not just build your website, but also do the SEO for it, create an email account for it, help you create articles, design your logo, and all these things that you might need help with if you're new to the website, because a lot of local businesses are not into creating websites and web development and things of this nature. So you can use Dazzly for their website, and you can also in a way use Dazzly as your marketing agency, right? They'll handle everything for you, and as you can see, the prices are very minimal. Dazzly also gives you a number of templates to choose from, so this makes it the ideal website builder platform, especially for local businesses. If you're a plumber, a painter, land mowing business, landscaping business, if you're a local business, then Dazzly is going to be the best option for you, considering that the price starts at just $10 a month. Okay, you can get your website live for $10 a month. But if you go ahead with the growth plan, which is just $22 a month, you get access to these additional features. Okay, but keep in mind, if you want access to all of this, you'll have to go ahead with the yearly plan, which comes at around $200. Okay, you do get to save a ton on this, but you'll have to go for the yearly plan. And if you go ahead with the yearly plan, you'll get a free domain. You'll also get a one-on-one consultation with one of the experts at Dazzly. They also have great support, and you'll also get some other stuff with this. Okay, so if you're a local business, if you're a construction company, a land mowing company, landscaping company, any type of local business, I highly suggest that you check out Dazzly. Go to the homepage. This is how it's going to look like. All you have to do in the homepage itself is add in your business name, add in the business category, email, phone number, and your website is going to be live in a matter of minutes. You don't have to do anything else. Now, once your website is live, then you can go ahead and change a few images, text, but the process is extremely easy. And you can see that Dazzly has a number of 5-star reviews. People who use Dazzly love them. They have amazing reviews. Most people who use Dazzly say that it's the best and the easiest website builder that they've ever used. Comparing with GoDaddy, Wix, Weebly, and all these other platforms, people say that Dazzly has been one of the best, or actually the best and easiest platform to use. So go ahead and check out Dazzly. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy using this platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.